Hello, good evening, guys. This is Stefan, and we are in Excel. Today, in this video, I would like to share you the little experiences I have on Microsoft Excel, but it will be precisely on how you can get the totals of each number, in an information box required. And here we have names of students with the various marks they have in each subject. There is subjects like maths, geography, economics, physics, and biology. It's a short form of biology, sorry. So, all you have to do if you want to calculate the total marks of Peter without using a calculator or your general knowledge in calculations, like putting it in a piece of paper, all you have to do is you come here to the formula bar on the total marks of Peter. You enter equals to, you are looking for the sum, therefore you in the formula bar you will write equals to sum brackets where maths is found. It's on the cell B2. B2, you will see, you will notice that the box is blue, which he has selected the content B2, colon, to biology, which is biology is found on the cell, excuse me, biology is found on the cell F2, and you will notice the contents will be selected, and you close your bracket. Sorry, you close your bracket. You will have 69, which is the sum of Peter, of all the marks Peter had in the various subjects. I can also show you for John. If you enter in the formula bar equals to the sum brackets, John is under this, the marks ranges from B, and John is under the third row, B3, which you select colon F3. You will select everything as Peter. You close your bracket, enter. You have 70. I can also show you if the informations are long. For instance, if you want to add the others two total marks of Mary and Philip without going through the formula bar, you can easily tap the little stroke down and you will have everything intact.